Assalamu alaikum to all of you. Hopefully you all are very well and everything around you would be going very fine. As you know, we have already made many videos for you on tech channels and tech applications, and today we are here with the same motive, and we are going to tell you about another application software that is going to help you in your daily routine and to schedule your time very well. And that is an app Planny. You can look over the logo on the top of my screen. We are in the application now, and it's the premium page. We have to cross over it, as almost times we are not going to pay for any app and going to use it offline or on any other internet access. And you can see here the list of the options, the facilities it is providing us. First is calendar, then uncategorized, then upcoming, overdues, routines, productivity, activities, and below two options are additional, that are lists and tags. So first of all, we have to go to the calendar, and we are in the calendar option now. So you can see over the screen that there's one thing, just one number in the list we have clicked just now, and it was made by myself in another video to tell you about it. Now we are going to edit another application, another list in the calendar option, and that will be about timings, alarms, and radius as well. So first of all, what you have to do here, you have to add a task here. Like, I am going to click on the very first option here, and now the keyboard is on the screen. You can add a random text, anyone you want to, like triple B, triple D, triple F. So as I have written zone here, now we can add a subtitle by bringing its premium, but we have not bought it, so we are going below and setting a time duration for it. So the time duration is settled here of 2 minutes, and then we have to adjust its date and time further. Let's decide the date, and that is January 12. Now you can also set the reminders, and that was an application of sending notifications. We have not allowed it. Now we have to set the reminders. So what you have to do, you have to go to the reminder option here, and where you can set your date and time as well, different from the task edit date. So it is going to help you a lot whenever you are going to forget something about your edit task or about your important task, like your friend's birthday. That is best example of forgetting your task. So it will give you an alarm just 10 minutes 20 minutes before you have settled the reminder. We are going to set it on about 4:30, and then we are going to change the hour of the time. That is, we have settled like 3:30. So 3:30 p.m. is the time when it is going to give us a reminder. So you can see here's another number is added in the list we have clicked just now. That's name is zone, and the first one is triple Z, that is a random. Now you have, when you are going to click on the three buttons on the right side of the list, then you are getting the options of copy, focus, delete, select, duration, tags. Like, it means if you want to edit any option further, then you can add just by here, and then you will get something like you can edit. You have no need to make a new text here, make a new list here. You can re-edit your previous ones. So now what we have to do, we have to go back after using these three dots, and then we will watch that what is the next option. Uncategorized, we are in the option, and it means that whenever you are going to categorize something by time, something by name, like 1 2 ABCD, anything else, then your categories will appear here. I have not made any categories, so they are not here. Next option is upcoming and overdues, routines, productivity, activities. Let's see what we are going to look over here the next. And one more thing, this app is offline, so you have no need to do something like more efforts, more internet connections to make them. So we had one overdue there, and you can look over here, the date is 12 January, and you can look over here now on the screen that the 6 days are left. Here is written, and January 14, 2023 and 11:50 p.m. time and date are here. So you can see 2 days are left, and I am going to add this task to the done. Now we are in the routines, and you can make a diet plan here. You can add a daily routine, monthly routine, or weekly routine here, but I have not made any routine, so you can see this is blank now. So the process is very much similar as I have told in the very beginning of the video for any category you want to choose, you want to use. So now we are in the productivity, and you can see as I have not made any daily routines yet, any weekly routines, any monthly routines yet, so this is 0%. Otherwise this app is going to utilize or critical analysis of your daily routines, of your updatings, uploadings, that with how much you are going to concern your tasks you have added in this app. So next there's an option that is about activities, and below them there is list and tags. So next we are going in the activities, and that is about rating 0% plus 1, and from gallery 1, and from gallery there is 2. There you can see the list is appeared in the productivity zone, and zone there are two things, and they are allowing us to add a date here from calendar, and 12 is marked here. It means that today's date is 12, so you can also add a date here. Next we are going to choose or going to make a list here that will be edited, like if you want to edit the color, if you want to edit the title, if you want to edit the goal. Firstly we have added the title here. Next we are going to add a goal here. After adding the goal, like we have written here study, and now we are going to change the color of the compact. You can also add something else here, like doodling, files, documents, and books, gallery, something more like moon, sun, clouds, cold, hot, anything else. So you can see you can change the category of the goal you have added or you want to add here. You can change the category of the title as well. So I have made here one, and now you can see it is saved here. List has one option here. List has one number in it. Now we are in the tags, and to add any tag to your this account or your list, you have to get the premium. So we are not going to get the premium, so we are just going to left the tags